1. Download presentation PDF from their Drive link. 2. You can also access YouTube video link of Vauld third quarterly update, which happened on May 20th, 2024. 3. Let's see Vauld latest update on illiquid asset recoveries because this is what we all are here for. I hope we get some illiquid asset distribution soon. Withdrawal progress of liquid assets distributions. 1. All backlogged withdrawal requests are completed 100%. 2. Newly submitted withdrawal requests will take 3 to 5 business days. 3. Withdrawal requests with value less than threshold value is automatically processed and others are manually processed and verified. Illiquid asset recoveries. Instead of discussing it here, I have compiled and summarized all 3 quarterly updates separately with comparison along with illiquid assets recovery and distribution status, later in this video. New business proposal. 1. Feedback from creditors were mixed. 2. Required board majority, full board approval, has not been reached to start any new business. Third quarterly update. Counterparty A. Same as previous. Coin loan. Earliest possible distributions from October 2024 onwards. 28 to 44% of $35 million will be recovered. Vauld. Next hearing on July 8, 2024 as ED want more time to file its response. FTX. 100 to 109% recovery of Vauld claim is possible, value not known. From total recovery $0.8 million and 10 to 11% will be deducted and given to DeFi Europe. Other illiquid assets. Minimal opportunity to participate as co-claimant. Due to limited budget, alternate funding arrangements are investigated to take own legal action. If liquid assets recovery and distribution status, counterparty A. Currently, recovery status not known, next update awaited. Coin loan. Distribution from October 2024 onwards. Vauld. Currently, recovery status not known, next update awaited. FTX. Currently, date not known but distributions will be done for sure. Other illiquid assets. Currently, chance of recovery seems less.